Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of October 16th, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is school buses. The Magic School Bus Rides the Wind, written by Capeci, illustrated by Carolyn Bracken. We have lots of fun in Miss Frizzle's class. Miss Frizzle wears funny dresses and shoes. She takes us on funny trips in the Magic School Bus. My kite is almost ready. I'm giving my kite to my grandma. It's her birthday. Today we are learning about wind. Outside leaves are blowing. This wind is just right for flying kites, Miss Frizzle says. Let's go. What is wind? By Dorothy Ann. Wind is air that moves. Wind is caused when heavy air pushes into lighter air. Wind can go up, down, and around. I am writing a story about wind. You can do it later. Isn't it too windy to go outside? Whoosh! The wind blows our kites way up. Hooray, we shout. We can't see the wind, but we can feel it and hear it. Then something happens. The wind blows Wanda's kite away. We have to catch it. We are on the ground. The kite is in the sky. How can we get it back? Arnold, we have to get my kite. We do? Miss Frizzle gets a twinkle in her eye. I know how, she says. Let's get on the bus. We get into the Magic School Bus. The bus starts to change. It becomes a hang glider. Miss Frizzle says it will catch the wind just like a kite. This bus is full of surprises. So is Miss Frizzle. Now the wind lifts us into the sky. We are really getting carried away. I need that kite. We are not the only ones flying on the wind. Wind Makes Things Go by Phoebe. When wind pushes on things, it makes them go up like a kite or a hang glider. It makes them go forward like a sailboat and round too like a windmill. Wanda's kite is just ahead. Something is behind us too. It is a big, dark cloud. Wind can bring a change of weather. That storm cloud is blowing this way. I knew I should have stayed home today. The storm moves fast. It catches up to us and blows us all around. I know a way out, Miss Frizzle says. I can't see my kite. I can't see anything. Wind can be so soft you can hardly feel it, or strong enough to knock down a building. It's strong enough to rock our bus. The bus changes again. Now it's the magic weather balloon. We float up and up. Soon we are on top of the storm. I see clear skies, Miss Frizzle says. Wind blows bad weather in and out. But where did my kite go? All About Weather Balloons by Ralphie. Weather balloons can go 20 miles high. They have tools that tell us what the weather is like way up in the sky. We see the kite. It is far below. We have to be fast. Quick, Miss Frizzle, follow that kite. The magic weather balloon lands, and we all get out. The wind is blowing seeds all around. Did you make a wish? I wish we could catch Wanda's kite. The Wind Spreads Seeds by Arnold. The wind helps new plants and trees grow. The wind blows seeds far and wide. When the seeds land, they sprout into new plants. We see a field with windmills. The windmill blades turn in the wind. The kite blows closer and closer. Oh no, my kite is in trouble. Can we save it? Is my name Miss Frizzle? We run fast. The wind is fast too. I hope we are not too late, Wanda says. Things that move have energy. The wind moves, so it has energy. I am just about out of energy. Wind Energy by Keisha. Windmills use the wind to help us. Wind makes the blades spin. The spinning makes a machine that is inside do work. Some windmills grind grain, some pump water, and some windmills make electricity. Blades catch wind and spin. Generator converts energy to electricity. Computer system controls blade direction. Cable carries electricity to line. Just in time, Wanda grabs the kite. "Gotcha," she says. "My grandma will love her present. I will love being back at school." Wanda's kite is safe and sound. The magic school bus is ready to go. We are ready too. This field trip really blew me away. We are back in our classroom now. Our kites are hanging on the wall. They look great. Where will we go on our next field trip? That's a good question. Where will we go next on the magic school bus? We can't wait to find out. How we measure wind. We use special tools to measure wind. An anemometer measures the speed of wind. A windsock shows how strong the wind is. It shows which way the wind is going too. The end. Okay, we're going to decorate a kite. This kite comes from Oriental Trading. I put it together already. It really gave me a problem. The instructions come with the kite. Here are the instructions. This small string here, which goes here, was too short to fit all the way down to the bottom hole. So I had to create my own hole here to put it through. But go ahead and build it the best you can. This might be better off as a decorative kite rather than a flying kite. And all you need is your Craft-to-Go kit, which is the kite. Again, the instructions come with it. And you'll need some permanent markers. So I have Sharpies. And all you're going to do is decorate the kite however you'd like. Go ahead and put a heart here. That's all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and draw whatever I want on a kite. And then I'm probably just going to hang this kite up because I don't think it's going to fly very well, but you can always try. This is what my kite looks like. It's all done. Make sure that the ink is dry before you touch it because it'll get all over your fingers. And you can see my one green heart, the dark green heart smudged a little bit, but that's okay. That's how they would do it.